guys, so today we're gonna make a beat for Che. If you guys haven't heard of Che, you guys are under a rock. He's like one of the most interesting underground artists. I think I heard of him since like 2021, so it's pretty sick to see him still making like cool music. Anyway, shout out to Gated for giving me this video idea. And by the way, I'm not an expert in this kind of style, but I'm sure I can still show you guys a couple things. Let's get right to it.
And also join our Discord.
Links down below. Alright guys, so for this kind of beat, you want to use like between like 140 BPM to about like 155. For this beat, let's do like 150. And then also you want to use like really like sharp sounds, like serum, kind of like crispy, super deep fried, you know what I mean? Those kind of sounds. I'm gonna go to leads. Now let's use this. So I'm gonna grab this one shot and then I'm just gonna use it for the chords. And for the scale, let's do, yeah, whatever. Let's do C major for the scale. So my method for making these chords is, since our root note here is C, I'm gonna count 5 notes down for our first chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is gonna be our first chord right here. And then let's count 3 up. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're only counting the notes that are in our scale, which are these highlighted lines. Now let's count 2 up from A. So 1, 2. And now we have our bass notes for our chords. And for our chords, let's do this. Let's count 2 up, and then let's count 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Let's do the same thing here. So 2 up, and let's count 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then same for this chord. Let's count 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are our bass chords here. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like pretty much like the Nick Mira. We're just gonna like add top line notes and just make it more like interesting, I guess. Try pitching this up. Let's layer this now. And then I think we're gonna turn this into an ARP. So I'm gonna take these chords here, just our chords, and then paste them into another sound. Go over here, say Command V, and then I'm just gonna replace this with serum. Let's change that first sound. Add a shaperbox to that first sound. First thing I want to do is I want to layer these chords again. Okay, let's add a shaperbox to that first sound. We should have better sound. I guess this one. Okay, now let's add this one shot. I'm gonna add like a little lead, and then I want to make this thing loop. So let's go over here to audio editor, and then I'm just gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna find like one oscillation right here, basically so it like loops back into itself, you know what I'm saying? And then regions, set loop point, and then let's just drag it back here, and now basically it just like loops forever. Yeah, let's go over here, port on, mono on, and now we have it gliding. That's some big crush. Let's try to add shaperbox. take all these sounds and just route them to one track, and then I'm gonna add my master preset right here, my melody master. Basically just like has some reverb, compression, and some delay on it. Yeah. Add ensemble. I think for the melody right now, I'm just going to leave it at this, and I'm going to get started on the drums. I'm going to be using my me&me kit. If you guys want it, link is down below. I appreciate all you guys that cop. I'm working on a kit update, so there's going to be some new sounds. So for everybody who copped it, you guys will get the update real soon. And if you guys are thinking about getting it, you guys will also get the sounds. So help support your boy. Appreciate you guys. Let's get right to it. Let's get started with the drums. So I'm just going to add a clap. Let's use this one. And traditionally for these kind of beats, you use like a Dro 808, which all you guys have. If you don't have it, just go on Reddit. It's there for free. So, but I'm just gonna use something different just because, like, yeah. Let's use this one. You want to use like a long 808 with like punch though. So I'm gonna use this one. Let's make it cut itself. And then I'm just gonna follow the root notes, which I think is E, and then what, 3 up, A, E, or C. Let's get a hi-hat. Do a 2-step. Let's add this open hat. Just make it short. Just pitch it down a little bit. Change that lead sound. Pitching everything up, pitch it over 1. I need to change the sound. Let's pitch this up. add some hi-hat rolls. Kind of just have to like lock in right there. Add a roll right here. I need to change the sound, man. I can't get the right one here. Synth. Let me just open a new one. Okay, fire. Let me just mute that. Add this to fire. That's it. That's a wrap. I'm just gonna arrange it. Split by channel right here. Let's add our melodies in. Let's get our clap. It's really like the hardest thing about these beats is just finding like an ARP. I don't know what it is, but it's just so hard to find an ARP that doesn't go like out of key. Oh, I want to take this bit right here and reverse it. Put this right here, and then let's just reverse it. Thank you guys for watching. I know you liked the video, so just leave a like, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below what you guys want to see next. If you guys want to get any of my kits, links are down below. We're on road to 10K. We're gonna hit it soon, so hit that sub. Follow me on Instagram at proudmayze. Follow underdogs.000. I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace.